Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and today is the third Tuesday of the month, and technically this is bug fixing day. So we'll be looking at that as it arrives. It's still not there yet. Usually it is 1 p.m. Eastern. As of this posting of this video, it should be in about half an hour, a little later than half an hour from now. So according to the new, of course, update schedule that Microsoft has released, the second Tuesday of the month is the Patch Tuesday security updates, and the third Tuesday of the month, 1 week later, is bug fixing. So I don't know if they're going to address the SSD defrag problem with Windows 10 version 2004. I know a lot of people are worried about that. What I have to say about that, don't worry too much, because people worry way too much about that. It shouldn't do it as it is doing it, but you're not going to destroy your SSD unless that would happen for years. There's a overhype of how SSDs get destroyed, and that is one of them. I mean, it isn't that big of an issue, actually, and that could be the reason why Microsoft isn't actually, checking it out necessarily immediately. So today, bug fixes. It should normally appear for all supported versions of Windows 10 from 1809 all the way up to, of course, version 2004. And I don't know if insiders on 20H2 will get some form of bug fixing also today, but usually it's really the stable versions of Windows 10 that gets this. So we'll have another video later today where we will look at all the details of what exactly is being fixed. Remember, these are not security updates, so they are not mandatory. You don't have to install this. If your PC has no issues, usually what I say is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, which means leave it as it is. It will anyways install itself at the next Patch Tuesday. Remember that when you get a cumulative update, it also includes the ones you haven't installed, and that includes next Patch Tuesday, for example. If you don't have installed bug fixes, the Patch Tuesday will install the bug fixes and the security updates together. But as of now, you don't have to do it. If you got some issues, it might be interesting to look at it. So later today, I'll come back to see if what actually is fixed, and we'll see if they actually fixed the defrag problem in version 2004. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.